up friends, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I'm Miracular. Yes, and in today's video, we are playing 2v2, and yes, I'm playing 2v2 with two people. And yes, and in this 2v2, we are gonna play glitch. So my friend has already sent me friend request. So let's battle. As you know that before we glitch, we have to play a normal battle 2v2. And yes, we are in it with 8 cards in a deck. Okay, I'm gonna place furnace here and send my ebobs. Oh no, it's Mega Knight there, and it's even balloon there. Okay, friends, and I think it's a tower gone as for us for sure. It's not just a tower gone. Good. So now, friends, I just want the match to end quickly so that I can be back with my glitch deck. Okay, no, I'm not doing anything. I'm just letting Prince and Mini Pekka to take down our towers. Friends, just want the battle to end quickly so that we can start our glitch, friends. That's the reason. I'm gonna activate the King Tower. Yes, here we go. So they're making it a slow process, friends. But I want this to end quickly. Okay. When my opponent has zapped his King Tower. Okay, just want the battle to end quick. Why are they not placing anything? I think they still did not get that. Okay, it's Balloon and Lumberjack here. Hope that our main tower will be gone here. Okay, Balloon got its rage, even Goblin Barrel, and will be surely a 3 tower gone for us. And that's all we wanted. Now, we are gonna glitch, friends, and yes, I'm gonna do it. If you don't know how to do it, check my other video in which I taught you. So yes, I'm gonna use this deck, friends. It's just Rage, Witch, Mirror, and Clone. It's gonna be epic, friends. So let's ask our teammate to ring tap on the play again. Yes, here we are. Yes, friends, it's King level 8 there, and yes, I'm having Witch, so I'm gonna place it. Okay, I'm waiting for another Witch. Here it goes. So next I'm gonna clone. Okay, friends, now only there are so many skeletons and all. I'm gonna clone all of them. This is going really huge, friends. And I'm just gonna give some rage. And yes, this is what it takes. This is what it really takes. It's just clone, witch, mirror, and rage. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna wait for my teammate to do the same thing. My teammate also uses the same 4 cards, hopefully. Yes, friends, here we are. And yes, do the same thing, witch and night witch. Just waiting for my elixir for witch. And after I place my witch, I'm just gonna place my clone. I'm not gonna care for any of those. Oh, that may take down our main tower, friends. We gotta be real careful and attack fastly. Now it's just between the now it's just the whoever takes the tower down, and yes, here we go. We did it, friends, and I literally can say that nobody can count how many skeletons were there, and if they do, and I'm gonna award them for sure. Yes, friends, here we are, and yes, got my witch. I'm gonna place it here. Oh, it's baby dragon there. Just hope that it doesn't kill off. Okay, it did not even harm our cards, friends, and I'm seriously not gonna care about that golem there, and I'm just gonna clone. Yes, perfect cloning, friends, and hope that his third tower also will be gone. And yes, for sure it will be gone. See how many witches are there, friends. Holy witch. This is really insane, friends. Let's give some emote. Literally, they will be not knowing what is a glitch even. That is why they are giving us wow, ops and all. It was like normal match, friends. Just killing away bots. It was like killing bots. Okay, I don't care because it will be shocked. Oh, it's giant there. I hope that everyone will die in the bomb, so I'm just not gonna place anything until this bomb will be blasted. Oh no, he destroyed everything, friends. But if this works, it will surely take down his tower, friends. Oh no, he had his fireball, and yes, my teammate has cloned it perfectly, and so his tower is gone, friends. Just going for another tower or probably main tower. In this case, we are going for main tower, friends. Oh, oh no. I think that yeah, our tower will be gone, friends, for sure. Okay, friends. I'm gonna place my witch here. Yes, and I'm just waiting for my elixir for cloning them, and that's it. That is done. That is really done over there. Go there. So many one night witch, friends. As you can see, there are okay. How many bats are there? I can't really even count them. There are so many of bats.